Oh, Connor, sit down, sit. Okay, so there's these two different sounds, and I can't decide. So, can you decide? Okay. So, this is sound 1, and this is sound 2. What do you think?
Can you play it again?
Sound 1, sound 2.
Again.
Sound 1, sound 2.
Can you play it one more time?
Oh my, okay, it's sound 1, sound 2.
I don't hear the difference. Lately Austin's been really stressed out, so, you know, he's been kind of on my ass about it, you know, it's just always with these testings and these freaking sound effects. It's just, you know, I mean, has it not been hard on me too? Yeah, it's been hard on me. I mean, I haven't been able to sleep correctly for like the last 3 days. I mean, it's been rough, man.
Listen to just the sound. Bam! Or bam!
I mean, I never thought a vacation could be so stressful.
You see, I put so much work into these videos, and it just goes unappreciated. I don't think Connor understands, like, the difference between reverb and no reverb. Okay, maybe the visual is just distracting you. Or, like, the subtle effect if you have blue in a screen instead of green. Like, green's such more of like a wilderness color, and then blue's so much, like, gloomier. It takes a really deep guy to know what I'm talking about here. And Connor's just not built that way.
Yeah, I guess, one of them sounds like it has more of a kind of an impact.
Yeah, okay, but which one?
The second one?
Okay, alright, that's all I needed. Thanks. Love you, bro.
But, you know, you gotta enjoy the good moments, man. You gotta enjoy the stuff. What it smells like.